Imagine you've just taken a bite of your favorite food, a crisp apple perhaps, or a warm slice of bread. As the flavors burst on your tongue, something extraordinary begins to happen. The journey of digestion, one of the body's most intricate and vital processes, is already underway. From that very first bite to the moment nutrients reach your cells, your digestive system orchestrates a complex symphony of mechanical movements, chemical reactions, and biological coordination. Let's embark on this fascinating journey, tracing each step as your body transforms food into the building blocks of life.
Digestion begins in the mouth, where the simple act of chewing sets the stage. Your teeth break food down into smaller pieces, increasing its surface area. At the same time, your salivary glands release saliva, which contains an enzyme called amylase. This enzyme begins breaking down carbohydrates, turning starches into simpler sugars. As you chew, your tongue helps mix the food with saliva, forming a soft mass called a bolus. You swallow, and the bolus passes into your throat and down the esophagus, a muscular tube that connects your mouth to your stomach. The esophagus uses rhythmic, wave-like contractions called peristalsis to push the food downward. These muscular movements are automatic, meaning you don't have to think about them. At the end of the esophagus lies a ring-like muscle called the lower esophageal sphincter, which opens to let the bolus enter the stomach, then closes to prevent stomach contents from flowing back up. In the stomach, the real transformation begins. The stomach is a muscular, J-shaped organ where food is churned, mixed, and broken down further. Your stomach lining secretes gastric juices, a potent mixture of hydrochloric acid and digestive enzymes. The acid creates a highly acidic environment, which helps to unfold proteins and kill most of the bacteria that might have hitched a ride on your food. One enzyme, pepsin, starts breaking proteins into smaller chains called peptides. The stomach's muscular walls contract, mixing food with gastric juices until it becomes a thick, soupy mixture called chyme. After spending several hours in the stomach, the chyme moves into the small intestine, the true powerhouse of digestion. This long, coiled tube, about 6 meters in length, has 3 main sections: the duodenum, jejunum, and ileum. In the duodenum, chyme is greeted by secretions from 2 vital organs, the pancreas and the liver. The pancreas sends digestive enzymes that break down carbohydrates, proteins, and fats into their smallest components: sugars, amino acids, and fatty acids. The liver produces bile, which is stored in the gallbladder and released into the duodenum. Bile acts like a detergent, breaking large fat droplets into smaller ones so enzymes can work more effectively. The small intestine's walls are lined with millions of tiny finger-like projections called villi, and even smaller microvilli. These structures dramatically increase the surface area for absorption. Here, digested nutrients pass through the walls of the intestine and enter your bloodstream. Sugars and amino acids travel directly to the liver, where they're processed and distributed. Fatty acids and glycerol enter the lymphatic system before eventually reaching the bloodstream. As the journey continues, the remnants of the meal, mostly water, fiber, and undigested substances, move into the large intestine or colon. Here, water and electrolytes are absorbed, transforming the waste material from a liquid into a solid. Friendly bacteria in your colon play a crucial role, helping to break down some fibers and producing vitamins such as vitamin K and certain B vitamins. These bacteria also generate gases which may be released as flatulence. The colon compacts the waste, and the final product, feces, is stored in the rectum until you're ready to eliminate it. Throughout this process, the nervous and hormonal systems coordinate every movement and secretion. The sight, smell, and even thought of food can trigger your digestive system to prepare for a meal. Hormones signal various organs to release enzymes, acids, and bile at just the right moments. Nerves embedded in the walls of your digestive tract keep everything moving smoothly, ensuring that food is pushed along, mixed, and absorbed efficiently. Digestion is about more than just breaking things down. It's about building up, too. The nutrients absorbed by your digestive system fuel every cell, tissue, and organ in your body. Carbohydrates provide quick energy, Fats supply long-term fuel and support cell membranes. Proteins furnish the raw materials for growth and repair, and vitamins and minerals regulate countless chemical reactions. Without digestion, your body wouldn't be able to function. Yet, the digestive system is more than a simple conveyor belt. It's a dynamic ecosystem, home to trillions of microbes, collectively known as your gut microbiome. These bacteria, viruses, and fungi help digest foods, train your immune system, and even influence your mood and behavior. Maintaining a healthy microbiome by eating a varied diet rich in fiber, fruits, vegetables, and fermented foods is essential for overall well-being. Sometimes, the digestive process faces challenges. Indigestion or dyspepsia can occur when your stomach doesn't break down food efficiently. Acid reflux happens when stomach acid escapes into the esophagus, causing a burning sensation. Food intolerances, such as lactose intolerance, arise when your body lacks the enzymes needed to digest certain substances. Diseases like celiac disease or inflammatory bowel disease can disrupt the delicate balance of digestion and absorption. Fortunately, your digestive system is resilient. When you eat mindfully, chew your food thoroughly, stay hydrated, and include a balance of nutrients in your diet, you help your system work at its best. Regular physical activity can also aid digestion by stimulating the muscles of your digestive tract. Consider the complexity of this process. Every meal you eat sets in motion a carefully choreographed dance, involving dozens of organs, glands, hormones, and microbes. From the first bite to the last step, your digestive system ensures you extract every possible nutrient, every drop of energy, and every molecule needed for growth and repair. Next time you sit down to eat, pause for a moment and think about the journey your food will take. Behind the scenes, your digestive system will get to work, tirelessly transforming your meal into the fuel that powers your life. There's beauty in its complexity and wonder in its efficiency, a silent daily miracle happening inside you every time you eat. So whether you're savoring a leisurely breakfast or grabbing a quick snack, remember, your digestive system is more than just a mechanical process. It's a testament to the ingenuity of the human body, a system that sustains, nourishes, and connects you to the world around you, one bite at a time.